Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominus Mentality. My name is Sharon. God bless all the viewers. I'm glad that you chose to watch this video. Today I want to talk about a couple of things. Number one, unity. Again, unity is so important, my brothers and sisters. We are better together. There is power in numbers. Many hands make light work. So let's come together. Let's build so that we can have generational wealth. Generational wealth. It's important that we invest. It's important that we learn, that we grow. It's important that we leave an inheritance for our children. And we can accomplish this together. So we want to eliminate the selfish mentality. We want to get rid of any greed. We want to eliminate foolish pride. And we want to unify so that we can get it together, so we can accomplish our goals that much more efficiently. And again, we do need each other. We do need each other. There is power in numbers. So that's the number one thing I wanted to talk about, was unity, because again, unity is highly, highly important. We all know right now in these times there is inflation, there's talking about a recession, there's a lot going on, there's a lot of people dealing with stress, depressed. Some people are, dealing with poverty, lack. And let me just tell you this, my brothers and sisters, do not focus on lack. Don't focus on your lack. Don't focus on what's missing. Don't focus on the negative. Because what happens is when you focus on the lack, when you focus on the negative, when you focus on what you don't have, it leads to stress. It leads to depression. It leads to darkness. It leads to quick get-rich schemes. You can easily be manipulated when your desire is so much for money and you don't do the knowledge and math to it. Someone can swindle you very quick, or it's very quick to get involved in criminal activity because your desire for money is that strong. So again, don't focus on the lack. Don't focus on what you don't have. In these times, you want to be grateful. You want to be thankful. Look at what you do have. Use your resources. Think about what you do have. What is your gift? What is your talent? Use that. Who is your friends? Who is your family? Use that. Use your resources. Use your mind. Use your intelligence. And if we come together with intelligence, we come together with a plan, we come together with a strategy, and we work together and we build, we can accomplish so much. We can accomplish so much. But a lot of times we have the wrong focus. So again, focus on what you do have. Focus on what you can do. And focus on the blessings that are around you. Sometimes we want things so much and we desire things so much, we don't focus on what we already have. So enjoy what you have, my brothers and sisters, whatever that may be. Enjoy what you have. Again, this doesn't mean that we're not going to strive for our goals. This doesn't mean we can't obtain and gain more. That's not what I'm saying. But I am saying let's enjoy what we do have. Enjoy the journey. Enjoy the process. It's about right now. So enjoy right now. Whatever you have now, enjoy. If it's just life, if you can breathe, if you can walk, you can talk, you can breathe, that is a blessing. And again, I know you want more than that. I get it. But enjoy that. Enjoy your family. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy your loved ones. Enjoy your life. And again, unity is important. So again, stop focusing on the lack. Stop focusing on what you don't have. Enjoy what you do have. God bless. I'm asking everyone, please check out DominusMentality.com. DominusMentality.com. Check out the merchandise. Support. I appreciate you. Again, peace and love. God bless. Change your thinking. Change your life. Change your mentality. Change your reality. Let's have a Dominus mentality. Peace and blessings.